See, many options are there, but map is the best parameter. String is the best return type. This is what we discussed or not there, guys. Map is the best parameter type. String is the return. And we have come to one conclusion, right? Advantages, disadvantages, lot of permutation and combination we discussed. Okay, what's the advantage of taking map as the parameter type, guys? You need not to create shared memory. Dispatch servlet creates and passes it. Number one. And invasive coding. Map is a Java based one, right? And we have a complete control on logical view name or not there. And we can even take request path of handler method as slash or not there. When these many advantages are there, we can happily enjoy it or not there. These are the basic advantages we are having with what? Request mapping and this kind of stuff. Everyone getting my point here or not there, guys? Super. File open. File open. 718 618. 719. Sorry. Spring Boot MVC. Let me open session 4 and 5. Session 4 and 5. I think you enjoyed yesterday's session of data rendering. No doubt. Whenever you know internals and those internals theory and our theory is matching, it looks lot of satisfaction in learning or not there. Super. Yeah. Guide your juniors. Try to be patient towards learning subject. Today someone came, attended day 1, and after class he comes to me. Sir, I want to develop one application which sends bulk SMS. Tell me what to do. He is attending first class of the Spring Boot microservice. Then I said, first learn subject. No, sir, I have all recordings. Tell me which recording I have to watch. I said, some recording. Okay. How many hours it takes to watch? That I will know. So, fine. I know he is little frustrated, but there is see, people are focusing on byproducts. People should focus on building the product first. If product made them high, marketing is not much required. Yes, na? Your subject learning is what? Product. Understanding my statement, my dear? Your subject learning is what? Product, guys. Subject learning is what? Product. Comfortable, my dear, or not? If we focus on subject, remaining aspects will happen automatically. Okay. Let it be, guys. How can we redirect? Yeah, what is the return type of handler method? Returns null. All these things we discussed are not there, guys. How can we forward request from one handler method to what? Another handler method. Array with nothing is there. Forward colon this. Forward colon this. That means forward and another handler method request path. Nothing else. Another handler method request path. See, 50% logic is there in one method, another 50% another method. If you forward one method from another method, the redirection takes place. That much simple it is now, my dear. Come on. Okay, that's great. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do here. Come on. Forward colon report. Yeah, I think I have to start my Eclipse ID first. Yeah, where is this? 71? 718. 718. This is my 718. Close all editors. What is there, guys? Close all editors. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Yeah. Where is the application? Here is the application. Boot MVC shared memory. That's good. Tell me. Controller. Show home controller. What, guys? Show home controller. Yeah, already one method is there. Okay, this is not a great thing. We'll take a previous one. Yeah. Map parameter display home page. This is the one. Na? Okay. Instead of null, I will try to put what, guys? Forward colon report. Forward colon report. Yeah. Tell me here, where is this? Copy this, paste it. Yeah. Tell me here, show report. What report, guys? Yeah, show report. Just, okay. Here, the one I am taking is what? Report. Yeah, just to get the feeling, it is forwarding request to another one. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? Sys trace. This is a display home page or not there? Yeah, this is, what is there? Sys trace. Sys trace. That's good. Yeah, return. Welcome. I'm trying to return what? Logical view name. Welcome. So I just want to check. I just want to check. I just want to check whether this method both executed or not. This is my target, nothing else. Okay, that's great, guys. Yeah, this is my shared memory. Right click, guys. Where is this? Run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Save finish. Say next, save finish. Yeah, here what is the story to follow, guys? Home. Yeah, it's coming, but that is not an important thing. Both executed or not. That means I am able to redirect request from one from another or not there. Okay, I'm able to forward the request from one method to another method. What do you say, guys? Okay, here I'm trying to add more model attributes, right? Okay, AZ is there, na address. Where is there? Hyderabad. The address I am keeping is what? Hyderabad. Map dot put. That's good. Go to the JSP page here. Go to the JSP page. SRC main web app, WebINF pages, welcome.jsp. Tell me, comma. What is there? Comma. Dollar. Where is this? Dollar ADDRS. Dollar ADDRS. Okay, that's good. Dollar ADDRS. Right click, guys, run on server, say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Here is what? Home. 30 Hyderabad. What is there? 30 Hyderabad. Coming or not there? But one method executed or both methods executed? One method executed or two methods executed? Yeah, both the methods are executed over there or not there. One method is executed or two methods are executed? Two methods are executed. I hope you are comfortable, my dear. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? That's good, great. Okay, this is the one way. Here, what happened? Source method, destination method will use same request and response object. That's why observe the request scope data given in source method is also visible in destination method. I am able to get all the three attributes are not there. But same thing can be done through redirection, guys. Redirection, what happened? Source method talks to browser, from browser talks to destination. It is not direct communication. Right? Earlier, there is a direct communication between source method and what? Destination. Yeah, let's see. Copy this, paste it. Tell me. Redirect. What is there, guys? Redirect. That's good. Fine. Stop this, guys. Stop. Right click. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Where is this? Home. See, only destination data has come, source data, because source and destination is not talking directly. They are not using what? Same request and response object. They are using what? Two different sets of request and response object. So the data coming to one request is not visible in what? Another request. There's a difference between redirection based communication and forwarding request based communication or not. In forward request based communication, source handler method, destination handler method will use same request and response object. That means indirectly both will use same shared memory, right, guys? So that's why model attributes of both methods are visible in JSP page. But in redirection based communication, source and destination will not use same request and response object. They use what? Two different sets of request and what? Response objects. Two different sets of what? Request and what? Response objects. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. That's why source shared memory is different, destination shared memory is different. Can you increase my fan, guys? Source request shared memory is different. Destination request shared memory is different. So source share is not visible. Only destination shared memory is visible or not there. That's good. Here's the same thing I discussed here. Check it out. This is forward colon report, right? Yes. Here source handler method directly communicates with what? Destination handler method. It internally uses what? rd.forward, where the source handler method and destination handler method will use what? Same request comma response object. So the source handler method model attribute can be used in what? Destination handler method and its view component. Destination handler method in what? View comp. Super. How can we redirect one handler method request to what? Another handler method request. This is also called handler method chaining, guys. But the source handler method redirect the request to what? Destination handler method after having what? Network round trip with the browser. So the source handler method and destination handler method will not use same request comma response object. Due to this, the model attribute of source handler method cannot read and use it in what? Destination handler method and it's what? View component. But to pass additional data, we can append what? Query string to the reader colon path as shown here. As shown here. Redirect colon report. P1 is equal to val1. P2 is equal to what? Val2. 1 minute. This is, we have to pass additional data. If you want to pass additional data, you have to pass additional. I'll show that also. Don't worry. P2 is equal to val2. P2 is equal to val2. P1 is equal to val1. P2 is equal to val2. Comfortable, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah. See, by default, additional source model attributes are coming or not coming. Okay, let's see. Once again, check it out. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Okay. Say home. Comma, Hyderabad. Only destination model attributes are coming source. No, sir. In redirection also, I want to get the source model attribute. No option. We have to append query string to the URL. How to, sir? Question mark. Question mark. There what? Request parameters you have to append, guys. How to, guys? P1 is equal to val1 or sysdate is equal to sysdate is equal to new data of plus ampersand age is equal to 30. I'm hard coding, guys. Age is equal to 30. But in welcome.jsp, okay, sorry guys, you should not use EL, you should use some more code. Additional request params. What, guys? Additional request params. Yeah, tell me, guys. Dollar. Additional request param. Additional request params. Tell me. Dollar sys date. What date, guys? Not like this. Param dot sys date. Param dot sys date, comma. Dollar param dot. What is there? Is. Dollar param dot is. This is my bold. Cut it. This is my paste. Yeah, that's great. Right click, run on server. Say next, save. Say next, save, finish. Yeah, tell me here, what is the story? What is there? Home, enter key. Home, enter key. Model attributes. Only Hyderabad came, but additional request parameter date and age came or not. In forwarding request, source and destination will use same request and response object. That means same shared memory. So that's why model attribute of source method, model attribute of destination method happily visible. In redirection, not visible. If you want to make it visible, it's your responsibility to send the data as what? Additional request parameter. What is param, sir? Param is one implicit object which can be used to read each request parameter value. Which can be used to read what? Each request parameter value. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Use forwarding request mode of handler method chaining. If source and destination handler methods are there in what? Same web application and to share some data. Use redirection mode of handler method chaining. If source and destination methods are there in what? Two different web application and you don't want to share the data, or same or different servers or machines also. Are you getting my point there? Can we place return statement in the method whose return type is what? Hide. Yes, you can place, but you cannot return the value. You have to put return semicolon. You cannot return the value, but you have to put return semicolon. Are you understanding my statement, guys? How to get request response object in handler method? One is request, one is response. Okay, already discussed, but this is still hot cake, guys. Focus. What is the difference between forward request mode handler method chaining? Chaining means what? One method linked with another method. And redirection mode of handler method chaining. Calling one handler method from another handler method is called what? Forward colon path. The source method and destination method will use same request and response objects. Same request and response objects. Are you getting my point there? The source handler method directly communicates with what? Directly communicates with the destination handler method. The source handler method and destination handler method must be there in what? Same web application. Internally uses what? RD dot forward. It definitely internally uses what, guys? RD dot forward. What dot forward, guys? The model attributes or request attributes of source handler method can be accessed and used in what? Destination handler method in its what? View component. Destination view component and what? View component. Redirect colon. Source and handler method will do not use the same request and response object. The source handler method communicates with the destination handler method through what? Browser. Through browser by having network round trip. That is very important or not there. It is not direct communication. It is what? Through browser network. By having, what is this? Network round trip. By simply literally having what? Network round trip. That's good. The source handler method and destination handler method can be there in same web application or in what? Two different web applications of same server, different server, belonging to same mission or what? Different mission. Internally uses a response.send redirect method or not there. That internally uses what? RD.forward. This internally uses what? Response.send redirect. Okay, next one. If source handler methods wants to pass some data to destination handler method, we need to pass query string to the URL placed in redirection. This is the one. Redirect colon path question mark param1 is equal to val1 ampersand param2 is equal to val2. Use cases of handler method chaining. Yeah, where exactly this concept will be used in real practices. That is what I'm going to. In, in any project, the handler methods performing what? Insert, update, delete operation on DB table records will redirect or forward the request to what? Another handler method that deals with what? Show report operation. Nothing but what? Select operation. Show report operation, nothing but what? Select operation. See, after inserting, I want to update the database and I want to display the report. Instead of writing insert operation, report logic in one method, update operation, report logic in one method, delete operation, report logic in one method. This report logic you keep in separate handler method. Come on. Let the insert one do insert activity. After that, redirect to report. Inserted, having inserted record, report. Updated, having updated record, report. Deleted, having deleted record, report. Moreover, if someone wants to do only report, they can also use this method separately. So modularity is increasing or not there? Code modularity is increasing or not there? See what I want. After inserting record, I want to display in the report. Insert logic plus report logic. Update logic plus report logic. Delete logic plus report logic. Instead of writing report logic as a common logic in all handler method, come on. It's better to write in what? Different manner are not there. It's better to write in what? Different places are not there, guys. Okay, guys. One minute, guys. 1 minute. Yeah. I think you understood, guys. Yeah, this improves code modularity or not there. This improves. This improves. What is that? Code modular. Okay. Now I would like to give sample code also. Okay. Generally, instead of just giving like this, let me give sample code so that you will get more. You will get more, guys. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Public class, tell me. Crude operations control. Public class, crude operations controller. Yeah. Tell me. At the rate controller. Crude operations controller at the rate controller. Okay. Public string. Add employee. Okay. What parameter we'll discuss later. Okay. Here also I'm taking what? Map, comma, map. What else we can take? We will discuss later. Yeah, that's good. What is the logic, guys? Add employee logic. What logic, guys? Add employee logic. Add employee logic. What logic, guys? Add employee logic. Return forward colon or redirect colon. Redirect colon report. But first of all, I should add one request mapping here or not there. At the rate request mapping / add. request mapping slash add. Okay, that's the one thing, guys. What's the another thing I have to take care here? Public string. Tell me. Update employee map. Okay, what is there? Update employee logics. Yeah, tell me, guys. Redirect to colon report. That is right now, boss. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, request mapping. I am taking update. So now this report method is going to get a lot of modularity or not there. Public string. Delete employee. Here is what? Delete. Here is my delete employee logic. What is there? Redirect to colon report. Redirect to colon report. Okay, that's great. Yeah, tell me next one. What is the story, guys? Here is request mapping slash report. Yeah, tell me, show employees report. Okay, I'm taking method as what? Report. I'm taking method as what? Report. Tell me, guys. Report to logic. Here, nothing else. Here, I have to give one logical view name. Show underscore report is the logical view name. So now we are getting report logic is getting a lot of modularity here or not? I think you convinced it with you guys. What's the use of this method chaining, handler method chaining? Understood this statement, guys? Okay. How can we get request and response object in the handler method? I'm interested to get what? Request and response objects in what? Handler. Shall we understand that, guys? How to get request and response objects in handler method? Okay, nothing is there. You design the method having request and response as the parameter. Okay, let's take, guys. Here is what? Request. HTTP servlet request. REQ. Next one. HTTP servlet response RES. HTTP servlet request REQ. HTTP servlet response what? RES. That's good. Okay, I just want to feel whether request object came or not came. System.out.println request to URL. Okay. Request dot get URL. Get request to URI. Tell me. System.out.println. Come on. Where is this response? Response info. Some response. Response dot get content type. I'm trying to get the content type. Nothing is given default content type. Something will be there now, guys. Yeah, see, you need not to create from dispatcher servlet. Request and response objects will come automatically or not. Yeah, tell me. Run on server. Say next. Save finish. Say next. Save finish. Yeah, in this place, what is there, guys? Oh. Additional request parameter, this. That is not a big issue. I think I have to see console. In the console, are you response info null is coming, but request URL is coming or not there? I did not set any content type, that's why it is giving null. but we are able to get access to those objects. Are you getting null pointer exception? No. Yeah, when you call the method, it's not there. That's why not coming. 1 minute. Can I try for other one? If not, get a type. Get status. Okay, there will be default status now, boss. If nothing is given, there will be some default status. That's good. Okay, have a look on this. It has reloaded the application completely, guys. Refresh. Where is the output? Why is not showing anything? Acha, redirect. After redirection, it is showing output. Oh, yeah. Tell me, boss. Here is what? Home. Here is home. So application got stopped. Yes. Application got stopped. Right click, run on server. Say next. Save finish. Refresh. Here is my home or not there? Here is my 200. Default status code 200 is coming there or not? The default status code 200 is coming or not coming? The default status code 200 is coming there. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. How to get request and response objects in the handler method? How to get request and response objects in what? Handler method. How can we pass session object to the handler method? Or we can happily pass HTTP session as the param type or not? You can happily pass HTTP session as what? Param type. We can pass or we cannot pass, guys. Yeah, definitely we can pass, guys. No doubt in that. That's good. Say paste. Public show report. What report, guys? HTTP session SCS. What is there? HTTP session SCS. I'm trying to get access to session object, nothing else. Okay, I'll put my code as it is. Yeah, here I'm also taking map, guys. What is there? Map. Map. String comma object map. Control plus shift plus O. Map dot put address comma Hyderabad. Return welcome. What is there? Return Yeah, that's great. Shared memory, what is there? Home. Shared memory, home. Am I visible, guys? Online student, am I visible? Am I audible? Am I loud and clear? Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah, this time what is the method we got? Report is the method we got. Right click, tell me. Run on server. Say next. Save finish. Okay, what is the URL I have to use? What is their report? Hyderabad, additional request parameter. But session object is able to come or not there? Sir, how to tell session object has come? 1 minute. To fill session object has come. Array, when session object is created internally, it maintains the session ID or not there? Session dot get ID. What dot get ID? Session dot get. Okay, that's good. Right click, tell me, run on server, say next, finish, okay. Say next, finish, okay. Hmm. Yeah, tell me next one. Where is this? Home. Huh? A report is there. Yeah, model attributes Hyderabad, additional request parameter. Welcome Spring Boot MVC. But here we are able to get the session ID or not? Here we are able to get the session ID. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? Come on. Understood my statement or not there, guys? Okay, that's good. Great. So this is, that means we can get request response session. No, sir, I want to get servlet config and servlet context objects. Luckily, they are internally there as Spring Beans, guys. We can inject wherever you want. Really, sir? Yes, check it out. Here, I'm taking what? Array, you studied servlet config and servlet config object. One per servlet. Servlet context is one per web application. It is a right hand object to servlet. What is that? Servlet config object. Remembered? Yeah. Servlet config CZ at the rate auto wide. Next, guys. Private servlet context. What is there? ESC at the rate auto wide. What is there? At the rate auto wide. Comfortable, my dear? Come on. Private servlet config CZ. Private servlet context what? SC. CZ one side, SC one side. Come on. Everyone understanding my statement, guys. At the rate auto wide. CZ one side, SC. Okay, to get the feeling they are coming, guys. To get the feeling they are coming. System dot out dot println. Okay, web application name. What name? Web application name. SC dot get context path. Yeah, dispatcher servlet. What is next one? Dispatcher servlet. Logical name. What's the logical name? DS, not DS dot. CZ dot. Get servlet name. I'm trying to get servlet name. That's good. Right click, tell me, run on server, say next, say finish, say next, say finish. Yeah, tell me what is the story we have, guys? Report. Okay, tell me. So web application name came because of servlet context object. DS logical name came. So that means we are able to inject or not there. Reason, anything that is specific to request, you have to take as a parameter. Anything that is common for all the requests, you can go for injection. Servlet config, servlet context, common for all the handler method, common for all the request. Injection we have done. Anything that is directly, indirectly specific to each request, you have to take it as what? Parameter all. We have to take it as what? Parameter value or not there. Sir, why are you teaching this? Array, I just want to tell what we can do, what we cannot do. This is background preparation in mini project. In real project development, we don't know at what time what is required, right? I want to do session management by using what? Cookies. Session object is required or not required? I hope you studied session tracking, session management. Studied or not studied? At that time, if session object is not there, how you will do it? I want to get more information about current web application, servlet context object. I want to get more information about dispatch servlet, servlet config object, right? I'm just telling how to get what object. In future, we are going to use these objects for different reasons. Right now, it looks like, why all these things? But we have to be ready to get all the objects as required was. Yeah. How to pass servlet config object context object. At the rate auto wide is there or not there, guys? This is my SC. This is my CC. This is my SC. This is my CC. If any parameter type is not there in the list of allowed parameters of handler method, and that object available through what? Dispatcher servlet, then go for what? At the rate auto wide based injection to the controller classes. Otherwise, take them as what? Parameter type of handler method. Array specific to this. Request session, shared memory, and etc. are parameter types. Generally, the objects that are specific to each request directly or what? Indirectly. Take them as what? Handler method argument. Similarly, the objects that are visible across the multiple requests, take them as what? At the rate auto wide based injection. One is servlet config, other one is what? Servlet context. One is servlet config, other one is what? Servlet context. How to send output directly to what? Browser without involving view resolver and view component. Yesterday we discussed this one or not? Yesterday we discussed this concept or not there? Okay. You get the print writer, then set the MIME type, directly write the output. But I want to make this output as a downloadable output. Then what should I do? You need to add one extra parameter. I'll show that. So first of all, forget about all this stuff. Go back to yesterday's code. Yeah, this is the code. Yeah, this is the code where we are sending output directly to browser or not there. Not this, not this. Wait. Not this, Rababu, not this. Not this. Where is that, Ra? Yesterday we have written somewhere. Not there, huh? Print writer, here is there. This is the code where we have written the logic, guys. Yeah, print writer PW is equal to this. Stop this. Right click, tell me, run on server. Say next. Say finish. Yeah, here is what? What is there? Home. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. This is coming without involving view resolver and view component or not there. Without resolving view resolver and view component or not. This is my print writer. This is my response.set content type. BR bold. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC bold. Right? Yes. That's great. Tell me here. Right click, run on server, say next, save finish. Say next to save finish. Tell me here what is there? Home is there. Here, welcome to Spring Boot MVC is there or not there? Welcome to Spring Boot MVC is there or not there, guys? Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? That's good. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. Welcome to what? Spring Boot M. Yeah, no, I don't want to get it. I want to make that output as a downloadable file. Then what should I do? Yes, we have to add one additional line call. Make the response as the downloadable file. What file, guys? Make the response as a downloadable file. Response dot set header. Set header. Content hyphen disposition. What's there? Content hyphen disposition. Content hyphen disposition. Tell me. Attachment. Semicolon. Yeah, what is there? File name is equal to. What is equal to? Attachment semicolon. File name is equal to. File name is equal to abc.htm. File name is equal to abc.htm. Run on server. Say next. Save finish. Say finish, say next. Where is next one? Home. Where is the next one, guys? Home or something else, guys? Okay, home you have taken a home only there. Yeah, actually downloaded. Maybe I have not shown. Yeah, check it out. Here, download at abc3.html has come. Open this file. Okay, actually, let me show output came as a file, guys. Let me show output came as what file? Let me show output came as file. Downloads. Yeah, tell me, guys. Notepad. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. Welcome to what? Spring Boot MVC. We are getting the things as expected or not there. Come on, guys. Convinced with me or not there. Everyone understood my statement, my dear, or not there? Okay, that's good. Yeah, we have seen various permutation and combination with respect to handler methods, guys. Okay, now I would like to develop two-page application, guys. So far, we developed a single-page application now. First, home page should come. They're having one hyperlink. When I click on find the season hyperlink, okay, it should give me another page displaying the season name. There one home hyperlink coming back to home page. Simple. But today, getting season name is a business logic. I don't want to write that business logic in what? Handler method. I want to write in service class. Service class. That I want to inject to handler method. Proper application we tried. No database, nothing, guys. Proper application I would like to develop. Guys, okay, total how many pages are there? 2 pages. Minimum 2 handler methods are required. One is to launch the home page. One is to launch what? Season finding page are not there. One is to launch the home page. One is to launch what? Season finding page. What do you say, guys? Minimum 2 pages are required or not required? Right. Yeah. So now let me explain the storyboard first. Here is the storyboard of the application. Yeah. Number one, deployment, everything is done. This URL is given. No request path. Are you noticing there is no request path here? Is there any request path here, guys? No. There is no request path. A. B. Dispatchers are trapping and taking the request are not there. C. Handovers the request to handler mapping are not there. Is simply handovering the request to what? Handler. That's good. Next. It will searching. Is there any handler method whose request path is what? Slash there. There na boss? This method signature controller class bean ID is given to whom? Dispatcher servlet E. Calling the handler method F. Calling the handler method F. It is returning logical view name welcome or not there. G. H. Dispatcher servlet is coming. Come on. Dispatcher servlet is getting logical view name. Dispatcher servlet is coming logical view name. Next what? I. Logical view name is passed to what? View resolver. That is I. Okay, next one. View object. View object is passing, having logical view name are not there. The physical view component. A. View object is passed to decide are not there. Guys, K. View object passed to get K. K. That is K. Is view object code should code. Uh, in L output comes M. Page having is display. What happened, guys? People call them today. So many problems with voice. Yeah, wait. I repeat, don't worry. I'll give the entire flow. Voice problems. Now check, guys. Am I audible now? Now clear? Super. Okay. Once again, I am giving from flow, guys. A onwards. Yeah. First of all, before seeing that, observe we have a service interface. I season finder service declaration of find season method. Here is the implementation of this method, guys. This is my find season implementation. Inside that logic is placed or not there. Inside this logic is placed or not there. And we configured this class as what? Service class. We configured this class as what? Service class. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yes, that's good. Yeah, take it out. Yeah, we have given request. Dispatchers are like traps and takes the request. C, handovers request to handler mapping. Handovers request to handler map. Okay, next one. D. D. Handovers request to handler mapping. What is D, guys? It will search for handler method whose request path is slash. Okay, whose request path is what? Slash. This handler method signature controller class bean ID are passed to whom, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Okay, boss. That's good. Passes to dispatcher servlet. What servlet, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Okay, this is D question mark. This is G. Okay, not D only, E. Okay, controller class bean ID submitted, signature is gathered and call this method F. Call the business method. This is returning logical view name G. H received the logical view name. Pass it to view resolver I. Giving view object having welcome.jsp as what? Physical view component name and location. That is what? J. This object is passed to whom? Dispatcher servlet. What is there? This object is passed to dispatcher servlet. That is what? M. K. JSP executed. What is there? J. Executed JSP output comes to what? Dispatcher servlet. M. Tell me, guys. Web page executes. What is there? Web page executes. That is what? N. We click on what? Hyperlink. What is there? O. What is there? Season is there, right? NO. P. Dispatch servlet traps and takes it. Color changed to give the feeling second flow. R question mark. What is there in the URL? Season. It looks for handler method whose request path is what? Season. This handler method request to pass. Controller class bean ID is gathered and passed to what? Dispatcher servlet. That is what? Yes. That is what? Yes. Tell me next one. Okay. That is what? Yes. Tell me next one. Yeah, that is yes. Followed by this, what's the next thing, guys? Followed by this, what's the next thing, guys? Yeah, yes. Yes, it is called the business method T. It is calling service class method because it is already injected here, right, boss? Yeah, find season. It is executing business method. Output comes W. That output is kept in model attribute and returns the logical view name X. This logical view name goes to what? Dispatcher servlet Y. Goes to dispatcher servlet Y. Next one. This logical view name goes to dispatcher servlet what? Y. Followed by that, what is there? Followed by that, what is there, guys? Dispatcher servlet Y. After that, what is the next story to focus, guys? Yes, guys. Why? Next one. What is Jet story, guys? Okay, Jet, view resolver, view object, display.jsp is the physical view component or not there? That is A1, A2, B1, B1. It is goes to dispatch servlet. It executes that display.jsp or not there? Executed, once the code is executed, you will get output or not there? And that output comes to dispatcher servlet, guys. That output comes to what? Dispatcher servlet. What is there? D1. Next one. That output comes to dispatcher servlet. D1. Next one. Ah, output comes to dispatcher servlet D1. Ah, that output comes to dispatcher servlet what? D1. Yeah, D1 generated output is displayed in the form of web page or not there? Same thing, guys. See? But number of pages are extra. That's why number of handler methods are extra. Fine. Let's develop the application fastly, guys. Yeah, already there. 7198. Say launch. New. Where is this? Spring Starter project. What is there, guys? Spring Starter project. Okay. Boot data JPA. Boot MVC pros. What is there? Boot MVC pros 03 season finder app. Season finder app. That's good. Say next. What's there? Spring data JPA. No. Only web. Then only web. Spring web. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Season finder app. That's good. Season finder app. SRC main web app. Under this we take what? Web app. Folder. Where is this? Web INF. Under this, what is there? Pages. Under this, what is there? Pages. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good. Now, from previous project, I can gather application.property file content now, guys. Okay, prefix, vfix, all these things we can happily gather. Embedded server port number also I can gather. Minimize this. Okay, this is their application.properties, guys. Say paste, guys. Yeah, this is my season APP. What APP, guys? Season APP. Definitely it is going to be what? Season APP. That's good. Okay. This is my application dot properties. Close all editors. What is there? Close all editors. com.nt.java. com.nt. This is different project. Huh? Oh, okay. That's good. Tell me. Right click. New. Hey, why servlet service? I would like to take service. Okay. Next. New package. com.nt. What is there? Controller. com.nt.controller. This is my controller. This is my what? Service. This is my controller. This is my what? Service. One side controller, one side service. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, here is the pages story or not there? Here is the story of pages or my dear. Come on. Yeah. com.nt.controller. com.nt.service. Comfortable, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah, this is my pages. This is my application dot properties. Here is my what? Application dot properties. Okay, that's good. Great. com.nt dot what? Controller. First, we will develop the service class, guys. Then we think about remaining thing. Here is what? Interface. I season finder. What finder? Season finder service. I season finder this. Tell me. Public string. Find season. What season, guys? Find season. Right click new class. Season finder IMPL. What's the interface, guys? I season finder service. This. What is there? At the rate service. Here I am going to write the logic. Get system time. Local time. Time is equal to local time dot now. Local time. Time is equal to local time dot now. Get current hour of the day. Okay. Current hour of the day. Oh, this is okay, fine. Get system date then. Okay, local date. What is there? Date is equal to local date dot now. Okay, get current hour of the day. Okay, current hour of the day. Sorry, current month of the year. Okay, date dot get month value. Super. Generate the season. What is there? Generate the season. If month greater than or equal to 3 and Month less than or equal to 6. What is there? Huh? Summer season. Else if month greater than or equal to 7 and month less than or equal to 9. Written. What is there? What season? Rainy season. Else. Written. Come on. Okay. Winter season. What is there, guys? Winter season. Okay. Winter season. Written summer season, rainy season, and what? Winters. Yeah. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. That's good. Season finder service, season finder service, service management IMPL. Okay. Let me open this. This is looking very small class name. Management service IMP. Service IMPL. Oh, here it has come. Management service. That's good. Season finder. Management IM. Season finder management IMPL. Sir, management service IM. IMPL. That's good. Okay, that's good, guys. At the rate service. That's good. This is service, guys. We are ready with this service. Next one. We need to develop the controller. Class, tell me, season finder, operations controller. How to make this class as controller class? At the rate controller. Public string, what is there? Show home. Return, what is there? Home. At the rate request mapping. At the rate request mapping slash. At the rate request mapping slash. What is this? Logical view name is written is what, guys? LV. This logical view name is home is written or not? Yeah, this home goes to dispatch servlet, view resolver, dispatch servlet, view resolver, and what, guys? View object. What object, guys? View object. Tell me. Yeah, tell me. New, where is this? JSP file. Here is my home.jsp. Say next. Say finish. Home.jsp. Say next. Say finish. Okay. Is EL ignored is equal to false. H1 style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align. Center. Okay. Yeah, what is this? Okay, here I am taking hyperlink. href. What is there? Season. Okay, I am writing find season. End of this are not there. So we are ready with what? Pages home.js. Home page is ready. When you click on hyperlink, yeah, what should happen? Okay, dispatch servlet traps it, handovers to handler mapping. It looks for another handler method whose request path is season or not there. But that has to talk to service class, get the result, should pass the result to JSP. When controller wants to pass the some data to JSP, shared memory is required or not. To bring that shared memory, I have to take map as the parameter type or not there. Yeah, string guys. Show season is the method name. Okay, no inputs, only output. That output I decided to keep in what? Shared memory. Object what there, ma'am? Here is what? Request mapping slash season. Okay, that's good. Use service. To use service, first we have to inject service or not. Okay. Uh, Season service. At the rate auto. String message is equal to what is equal to? Season service dot finds. Season service dot find season. Tell me. Keep the results in what attribute? Model attribute. Keep the results in model attribute. Map dot put. Map dot put. What is the key? Result message. What's the value? MSG. Map dot put result message. Return logical view name. Yeah. I'm taking one more this. Return display. This logical view name goes to whom? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatch servlet gives to view resolver. View object having physical view component. What is there? Display.jsp. I have to keep this display.jsp ready or not? Okay, guys. File save as. Okay, here I'm taking this one as what? Display.jsp. What .jsp, guys? Display.jsp. Yeah, tell me. Here, I don't keep all this stuff, guys. Here I will spell mistake or display spell. Result page. What I'm taking is result page. Okay, that's good. BR. Okay, bold. Result is, tell me. Dollar floor bracket opening and what? Closing. Result message. What's there, guys? Result message. BR. What is there? Ahref dot slash. What is there? Home. Dot slash home. Dot slash home. Okay. Dot slash home. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Season Finder app. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Remove all. Finish. Okay. Remove all. Okay. Tell me here, where is this? Oh, home page should come automatically now, guys. But why it is not coming? Why it is not coming? Let me check. Controller, logical view name home. Okay. web app, web INF, home.jsp. What's the problem? It's there. It's there nicely. I'm running in external server only now. Right. Yeah, that's good. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Let me check. Server is started, everything is good. 404. Huh? Home.jsp is there now, boss. Is there, happily there, guys. Yeah, see, first of all, JSP, what comes secondary? First of all, JSP should be there or not there. Yeah, see, location is there, perfect. No error, no output. How come? No error, no output. I'll tell the reason. I will, okay. It's external Tomcat. In external Tomcat, this is okay, this is okay. That is for embedded Tomcat stuff, right? Right now, we are not dealing with embedded Tomcat also. Wait a minute. When this kind of situation comes, guys, you simply clean the server once. You simply clean the server once. That's the one thing. And clean the project once. Clean the project once. No error, no output. Yeah, 1 minute. Sometimes what happens, yeah, in project build path, properties, Java deployment assembly, web app folder to root. Yeah, web app folder to root. No, they are configured automatically nicely. It should come because same thing we did last time, it has worked out. Yeah, sometimes it tests our patience by keeping previous things in mind. Hey, what's happening, guys? Error also not there. Jasper is for embedded Tomcat, not for external Tomcat. Right now I'm running in what? External Tomcat, embedded. Let me try in embedded Tomcat. Interesting error. Okay. Embedded Tomcat. Web. Embedded Tomcat Jasper. I'm taking these guys. Any spell mistake? WebINF under WebINF. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Any spell mistake from my side? No, actually, in external Tomcat, it should run. In external Tomcat, it should run. Stop these guys. Some red mark is also there. Huh? No, that's not a big thing, guys. That's not a big thing. Okay. Let me try with embedded Tomcat. Right click, tell me. Run on Java. Run as Java application. What's happening? It is validating. I think some issue with Eclipse ID, it seems. Let's restart the IDE once. Something problem, some problem has come. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? Scroll down. Wait. Yeah, something gone wrong in the application. Structure also little disturbed. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, it is running, guys. Okay, that's good. HTTP 4041 season app enter key. Find season, enter season home. Okay, this working in embedded Tomcat. That's good, but it should also work in external Tomcat now. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Yeah. A problem with some Eclipse ID. It's working or not there. Fine. I think you got the clarity on the thing what we have to learn. Okay, that's great. Fine. Google Drive base, guys. What's there? Google Drive base. Yeah. What's your batch code? First one, first July, second July. Ah, 5th June, 5th June. Tell me. Boot MVC. Right click, file upload. Right click, file upload. Yeah, where is this? 619, no. 718. 718. Boot MVC. Next one, guys. Huh? Last one. This one? That's great. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. We will discuss and we'll talk more.